Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about MidJourney AI image creator. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you download one of your images from MidJourney? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download an image from MidJourney anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that MidJourney is a popular way to design images and graphics for your blog, and maybe you want to download it and post it onto your social media. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your MidJourney account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my MidJourney account, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to go ahead and download an image that you created, first what you're going to do is either go to create right here on the left, or you're going to go to here to organize. So if you were creating an image in MidJourney and you see one of these that you like, all you're going to do is go ahead and just click on the image. Once you click on the image, right above the prompt that you typed in, you're going to go ahead and click on this download button here on the top. All right, quick second later, it downloads, and let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so here is the image that I downloaded from MidJourney. So let me close this down. Okay, so that's from the create section. Now, if you want, you can go over here to organize. Okay, from the organize section, you can do the same thing. Just click on it, and then you can go ahead and download. Now, if you want to download more than one image from MidJourney, you can go ahead and use the drag feature. So you just click above it and then just highlight all of the images that you want to download. Okay, we have 5 of those. All right, once you have those highlighted, you can see they turn a little bit small, and you just hover over one of them and right click, and then go down to share and save. And then you just want to click on save image, and then all of those MidJourney images are going to download to your computer. Now, if you don't want to right click on it, that's okay. Right here at the bottom, you're going to see this download button. It'll be the same thing. You just click download, and it's automatically going to start processing. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download an image from MidJourney, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.